Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about a super low-cost cell phone service called US Mobile. While I'm not affiliated with them in any way, this company is definitely near and dear to my heart because for several months I had been searching for a way to pay less than $20 a month per line for my cell phone because I really only use minutes and text. I really don't use data very much. So I wanted to find a way to pay less than $20. And after months and months of searching, I finally found this company. And with this company, this provider, I now only pay $14 a month per line. So without any further ado, I'll go ahead and show you guys the website. If you go to www.usmobile.com, so here's the company. Um, it's a very reliable service. I was surprised because I've used a couple low-cost cell phone service providers, and either the reception was horrible or the minutes just never worked. And with this company, I've never had issues with service, and you can see they have really high reviews and ratings from many of their customers. They have a build your own plan feature. You could even bring your own device. They have no contracts. They even have a 14-day free trial offer. The customer service, I would say too, is really fantastic. I'd say comparable to some of the big five or what, however number of major companies there are. But I really have no issue with calling them, with chatting with them, if I ever have an issue with my service. And I'll go ahead and show you guys some of the plans they offer and the customization. So they have two lines, and again, this is a nationwide plan. So um, the Super LTE, so again, I'm not affiliated, but my understanding is this uses the Verizon network. So they use the Verizon cell phone towers to give you reception. And under the GSM LTE, this uses the T-Mobile network. So I personally use the GSM LTE, and I really love how customizable this plan is. You can pick how many minutes you want, and if you just want minutes, you can do $8 a month because it's the $6, and then you get a $2 service fee with tax. So the final thing would be $8 plus tax, which might be, I don't know, 8 times 7 is 56, so $8.56. I personally do the 500 minutes and the 1,000 texts, and yeah, it comes out to about $14.16 with the fee. So they also offer data, as you can see, so pretty customizable plans. I wouldn't say, if you're a heavy data user, I wouldn't say this plan is the best price-wise. You might be able to get a better deal somewhere else if you're heavy data and also need lots of text and minutes, because as you can see, they can pile up. And oh, and then we just got a chat just asking if we wanted to try a starter kit, and no thank you, I already have the service. So yeah, and then with the Super LTE, you get 4G LTE, high-speed internet. So this is much faster, and again, I don't use this, so I can't testify to this service, but what's amazing to me, especially, is if you just want 40 minutes a month, you can get that and pay $6.50 per month for your cell phone service. And I mean, that's crazy. And so I'm so grateful to have that as an option, because that's not an option with the major providers. And they also do have some unlimited plans here, as you can see too. So there's a lot of customization available. They do also sell phones, if you need to buy a phone, or if you need to if you want to bring your phone and unlock your phone, there's that service here. Oh, okay, they can only unlock AT&T phones, but they also sell cell phones if you need one. And but if you have your own phone, all you do is you buy the starter kit for $3.99, and then you just stick it in your phone. And yeah, so here are some of the options available. And again, these are the full buyout price. You're not getting a 2-year contract for or paying like $30 a month or something to lease the phone or to to get a loan or something like that. This is the full buyout price. So you buy it and it's your phone. There's no contract, so you don't have to, if you want to cancel your service, let's say after 1 month or something you don't want your service anymore, you pay for 1 month and you're done. And that's so great. I really like that model much more than the, oh, actually, if you want to cancel your service, you have to pay $300, which is what some other companies do. I really like the freedom that this allows you. So yeah, if you guys are interested, that's just kind of the long and short of it. But if you guys are interested, definitely check it out. The website again is usmobile.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave any comments in the comment box below. I'm happy to answer any questions. I've been with this provider for over a year now, maybe like a year and a half. And again, I've never had any issues with reception. I live in Western Pennsylvania and kind of travel the area often. I don't have any issues there. I often travel to like New York City and kind of Florida and some of those areas, and I've never had any reception issues. So I really appreciate it. I guess one other caveat too is if you're somebody who travels internationally, it's my understanding that they might not work internationally for making international calls. For example, if you were traveling to Mexico or France or something like that, then you might want to look into another service provider. But if you're predominantly within the United States, then I highly recommend this so that you could stop paying $50 a month for ludicrous amounts of minutes and text and data that maybe you don't need. Some people need that, but I personally don't need that. I would rather pay $14 to get just what I need. So yeah, again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comments, and thanks for watching.